Dive into the greatest underwater adventure ever imagined.
Tulip, guardian of the underwater kingdom, embarks on a heroic quest.
The ocean is alive with glowing wonders.
Here, bioluminescent fish use light to communicate.
This is
Far beneath Earth's oceans lies a world no bird has ever seen. And tonight, Tulip is about to become its hero.
In the ocean, even the smallest creatures help the giants survive. Nature survives through cooperation.
Coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, yet they support nearly 25% of all marine life.
Deep oceans are one of Earth's least explored regions. Humans know more about the moon's surface than parts of the deep sea.
Tulip, our kingdom-less energy crystal, is dying.
Without it, darkness will consume the deep ocean marine life.
Kelp forests are among the fastest-growing ecosystems on Earth. They provide shelter to thousands of marine species.
More than 70% of deep-sea creatures may produce their own light. In the deep ocean, light becomes survival. More than 70% of deep-sea creatures may produce their own light. In the deep ocean, light becomes survival. Even in total darkness, life adapts. Creatures near hydrothermal vents survive using chemicals instead of sunlight.
Sound travels nearly 4 times faster in water than in air. The ocean is a world of echoes. Over time, the ocean slowly transforms everything. Even lost ruins become habitats for marine life.
Nature's greatest power is balance. Every creature has a role in the ecosystem.
When oceans thrive, life across Earth thrives too.
The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, and its greatest treasures are still waiting to be discovered.